Hey guys, Kelly Nutt with ZIPPKOOL Cooling Gear. Today we're going to have a video tutorial on our high visibility cooling vest, model number HVN500U. Today's video is going to consist of 4 different parts. The components that you'll receive in your package, how to install them, also tips on the best way to wear the vest, and washing instructions. All right, let's get started. When you receive your package, you're going to get your high visibility vest. Also, you're going to receive a box with 2 fans. You're going to get a box with our rechargeable battery, and you're going to get your fan cord. Also in your package, you'll get instructions. You'll get a guideline sheet and also an instruction booklet that is very detailed, and it's written in English and Spanish. Also, it will have the warranty instructions included. All right, let's assemble the jacket. When you take your fans out of the box, first we're gonna have to remove the fan holder rings. It will have 2 tabs on each side. Find a flat space, press down, remove the fan holder ring. Next, take your fan, insert it in the hole. There are 2 tabs here also, 1 and 2. Line the 2s up with the tabs and click till you hear it click. Also, the jack connection needs to be at the bottom. We do the other side the same way. Next is the cord. The cord will have 3 jacks. You'll have a long jack, a short jack, and a medium jack. The long jack inserts through the fan Velcro tab. Short jack inserts like so. All right, let's put it on. First, zip it up. Very important that we pull the drawstrings on the side, on both sides. This will trap the air inside. The next step is our battery. Our battery comes with a on button and an off button. Attach your cord. Our battery has an on and an off button. Press and hold for 2 to 3 seconds. The setting will automatically be at our standard setting. It does come with 4 different settings. 1 is turbo, 2 is high, 3 is standard, 4 is low. To turn it off, turn the off button for 2 seconds, or simply remove the cord and it will disconnect. If you have to wear a full body harness, wear it underneath your vest. It does have a slit in the back that allows the D-ring to exit. This concludes the installation of our high-vis cooling vest by ZIPPKOOL. Okay, washing instructions. Your vest is machine washable. First, we have to remove the fans and the cord. Remove the cord. Two fans pop out like so. machine wash cold, and line dry. Thank you once again for purchasing a high-vis cooling vest by ZIPPKOOL. If you ever have any questions, feel free to get a hold of us at info@zipkool.com.